Hi guys, in this quick tutorial, I will show you how to use Twixtor Pro in After Effects. First, import your high frame rate footage and adjust it in composition. Now select all your clips and enable these two boxes for a smooth result. Now pre-compose all your clips. After that, apply Twixtor Pro effect on clip. Now do my Twixtor settings. Now check your clips FPS. Here my clips FPS are 60, so I put this FPS value in frame rate. After that, go first frame of clip and make a speed keyframe. Put value 200. Now go middle of clip and put speed value 50. Now go in last and put value 200. Now select all your keyframes and easy ease. Now open your graph editor and adjust graph like me. After that, select all your keyframes and paste it on remaining clips. And do these settings with all your clips. Now our smooth slow motion is ready by using Twixtor Pro. Thanks for watching this. See you soon guys.